Hello folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. Boy, the fire is really noisy today. Yeah, coffee. And today we're talking about iron rations. Now if you watch the movie I Am Legend with Will Smith, his iron ration was a bunch of bacon inside the refrigerator. That was his last ditch thing. And if you read the book, Alas Babylon, they found his iron ration case, which is an old foot locker that he stashed away certain goods for if everything ran out or you're used to eating fish, rabbit, squirrel, lots of squirrels. Okay, this is important because this year is the long winter. Keep telling this to people, but I have to do a separate video on this. This year is the long winter because people above us who think they're so smart screwed up everything. Okay, it's the long winter. Everybody's saying it's the dark winter. You don't know what dark winter is. Next stupid prepper channel keeps mentioning that. I'm going to go over their house and pound some sense into them. Okay? You don't know what's a dark winter. Now, right now, it's the long winter because a lot of you wannabe preppers out there, wannabe survivalists, wannabe Rambo and stuff are going to get it. It's called thinning out the herd. All right? Again, let me read my handwriting. Oh, that's good for you. Okay, listen to Terry Jacks, Season in the Sun. What's happening in 2022? Really bad. Lots of blood. I was trying to spell Uprising, but I screwed it up. And a lot of crime. Okay, history repeats itself, but everybody's a bonehead. Okay, so what we're going to have in our iron ration, a couple of cans of coffee. I like to drink French roast, and this is my backup stash. I'm going to get 2 more of these cans. I have to have cremate. I don't mind the sugar part, but I don't want to drink it black. And everybody wants the heavy-duty big chocolate. Now I'm going to send these to Trey of the Vineyard Chicks. He's going to like that. But I'm going to be stacking a lot of chocolate in there. This is my iron ration box, okay? Whole bunch of dried fruit. Uncle Alan has bad teeth. He prefers raisins or dates. I got 2 boxes stashed away. Going to have rye crisp. Okay, see that? Rye crisp. That's for a carbohydrate. I'll have some kind of, oops, there we go, meat product. Now, a lot of people said, I can't find this on the local store shelves. Well, you're in a screwed up area. This is a good size jar of dried beef. There's one size bigger than this, and I still could get this under $5. But dried beef, corned beef, hash browns, not hash browns, canned hash, already in part of my iron ration box. So I'm stocking a lot of these. This is serious. And I'll stash away hard candy. I'll stash away maybe tea and maybe something else. I can't remember. Oh yeah, honey. All right, and maybe some salt. Okay, that's kosher salt. Now a lot of people are looking, why kosher salt? Well, that's my secret, and you got to learn about it, kid. Okay, let's put this back in here. I gotta take it to where I keep my iron ration box. And I got my coffee. Okay. The iron ration box is only to be used when everything, oops, not one, is used up out of your long winter supplies. This is last ditch, that's it, you're screwed. Okay? This will give you enough strength and energy to push on in case you goofed it up and you didn't follow Uncle Alan's good advice and built up the 4 corners. I got too many notes all over the place. Man, the fire is loud today. Yeah, another video we're going to talk about the 4 corners. That's working pantry, refrigerator, freezer, and long-term storage. Yeah. Please check out these people, including Wayne of the Ungrateful Peasant. He did a pretty good video out there. So please check out all these people. And I'll see you later, folks. Bye.